The Smart Customer Management model is a maturity-based model. This means that since the organization cannot satisfy all the goals and implement all the process considered in an afternoon, the model introduces them in levels or stages. Each progressive level of the Smart Customer Management model is thought to produce a unique transformation of the organization culture by equipping it with more powerful practices aiming at attracting, satisfying, motivating, collaborating, growing, and retaining your customers.
The key of the Smart Customer Management model is that it describes an evolutionary path for the implementation of customer-centered management practices from the unit project level with ad hoc and consistently performed customer-oriented processes to a continuous innovation how mature infrastructure of processes that elevates the organization's customer-centered management capability. This evolutionary framework guides organizations in selecting an implementation path based on the current maturity of their customer-centered processes. The model is structured along an integrated system of goals that follow the principles underlying the Smart Customer Management framework. The principles are the result of a thorough analysis of best practices carried out by the author among world-renowned customer-centered organizations, and they lay the foundation for the way in which the model's goals and process are to be implemented. Each goal defines a goal scheme that is a set of activities, practices, and information technology tools that the organization needs to work on to accomplish a stage goal. Complying with a goal scheme ensures the organization satisfies a set of key process areas that bring the organization closer to a customer-oriented business model. It also enables the organization to mature through increasing alignment with the organization's business objectives, performance, and customer-changing needs. The model's strong focus on the processes allows an organization to address scalability and provides a way to thoroughly incorporate knowledge as a key element to better focus on the customer, build relationships, and do things better. Furthermore, by concentrating on the processes, the model enables the organization to leverage its resources, reduce implementation costs, and to easily integrate its customer-centered strategies with other well-known management frameworks such as CMMI, ISO, or Six Sigma. The relevance the model gives to the processes does not mean that other key factors such as people and technology are not important. We are living in a dynamic world where people and technology are changing in an incredible speed, and this is precisely what makes process the most valuable asset to help an organization's workforce to meet business objectives by helping them to work smarter and with improved consistency. Furthermore, effective processes provide an excellent vehicle for introducing and using new technologies in a way that best meets the business objectives of the organization. I don't want to end this chapter without saying that the model has borrowed the premise of the Software Engineer Institute at Carnegie Mellon University Capability Maturity Model Integration CMMI models that says that the quality of a system or product is highly influenced by the quality of the process used to develop and maintain it, as well as the focus on implementing and improving processes in the organization. The CMMI's focus on processes is therefore behind the way the Smart Customer Management model works and is implemented. Consequently, those organizations that are familiar with or that have implemented CMMI models in advance will speed up the implementation of the model, as both CMMI and the Smart Customer Management model share a process-based philosophy to allow the organization align the way they do business. However, the organizations that have never worked with CMI models before can just follow the guidelines and recommendations made by the Smart Customer Management model. Thus, they don't really need to have any previous CMI model experience. The support provided by the CMI's framework philosophy when it comes to articulating the model's never-ending cycle of process improvement and the capacity of the model to integrate with other management frameworks such as ISO, Six Sigma, or ITIL is a clear guarantee of the model's own soundness and feasibility. In the next videos of this module, I'm going to examine in depth the main model components.